Automotive stock. The ticker is MULN. So MULN stock is sitting at 25 cents at this trading day. We're already in after hours here. We can see you're still sitting at 25 cents, around 0.3% in gains during this last trading day, but a very, very heavily traded stock here. 143 million trades today with a 212 million trade average. If we take a look here at Finviz, it was the sixth most traded stock on the market today. So definitely very, very interested. A lot of interested people here. Trading hands of this stock, Mullen Automotive. I've made a couple videos here on Mullen Automotive recently on this channel. I guess not recently, but on this channel's history. I have made multiple videos on Mullen Automotive. So I just wanted to update you guys on a few things here in regards to this stock. Obviously, this is a stock that is a speculative play, in my opinion, in the EV sector. Again, this is, in my opinion, a stock that I think at one point a lot of people thought this was a $1 plus type of stock. I mean, if we take a look at the 1 year chart, at one time, March, around a year ago, Mullen was trading at around $1, almost $3 a share, and it's really fallen off since then at 25 cents. So again, I think this is a stock that could eventually get back up to that dollar range based on what they're doing here. If we do see like just a bullish or more of a bull type market atmosphere, it definitely has the potential to do so. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment, educational purposes only. But let's get right into it. So Mullen recently, about a week ago, provided first quarter fiscal business update from the first quarter. It completed the purchase of electric last mile solutions assets in a $105 million cash purchase. It also currently has over $100 million in cash, secured exclusive sales. Mullen receives purchase order for Randy Marion Automotive Group for 6,000 Class EV cargo vans valued at $200 million. Some special shareholder meetings with a favorable outcome. Strikingly, right here, they launched a strikingly different U.S. test drive tour of the Mullen 5 EV crossover October 27th of 2022. In Pasadena, CA, it says the second leg of the tour will continue in summer 2023. So they were doing, some marketing, getting their feet out there, putting this vehicle on display, putting their fleet on display here. But let's get into a few things. So you can see here, Mullen Class 1 EV vans, cargo vans at our EMC facility in Tunica, MS. So here they are. These are their Class 1s. Class 1 EV cargo vans, which I believe are the most ready in the fleet here. Interesting to me that there's no logo here for Mullen on these EV cargo vans, but I definitely think there is a space here in a market for these cargo vans that I think, if marketed correctly, can do very, very well. So if you take a look here at this image, shout out to, let me make this a little smaller if we can. Yeah, shout out to this Twitter user, ChaCha72 Kobe F4er. Let's see if I can make this smaller for you guys. I don't know, but no one talks about this Mullen. No one talks about this, but solution is key part of winning deal like Loop and Mullen with Menzies. Fleet management solution will be another key to winning deals. Mullen USA webinar around software stack will be nice. This is kind of somewhat of a breakdown here of what Mullen can offer. When doing these big deals with these companies, to possibly have them purchase fleets of their Mullen automotive. So they have this Mullen Cloud, which is essentially intelligent driving. It's called Mullen Air, actually. So every Mullen commercial vehicle is outfitted with Mullen Air for 24/7 insight into fleet performance, including advanced analytics and fully customizable features. Right, fleet management, delivery tracking, smart cargo, route optimization, driver safety, charge management, predictive maintenance, and vehicle monitoring all come with these new Mullen, especially the one cargos, I believe they're called. Class 1 EV cargos. So this is something that, if sold right and marketed right, I think could be very, very interesting and very, very intriguing to companies looking to purchase fleets of electric vans for their businesses or whatever services they would possibly need these vans for. And I definitely don't think stuff like this should go overlooked. I definitely think this is something that has potential for Mullen, and like I said, they need to utilize it to their advantage. Taking a look here at this is on stock news, and this is a 3 EV stocks you should either sell or buy. And I guess Mullen has kind of a buy factor here, get rating. Obviously Mullen, we know about this, manufactures both commercial and electric vehicles. On January 25th, Mullen convened at a special meeting for its stockholders. Its preliminary results show the shareholders voted in favor of Proposal 2, which seeks to expand the authorized common stock to $5 billion from $1.75 billion. So essentially, issuing these additional stocks lowers the shareholders' value of shareholders' current shares, which is bad news. This often indicates that the company is struggling to stay solvent on its current revenue stream and is in constant need of new funding. right? So just keep that in mind here as well, that there was, I guess, approval, or I guess the shareholders voted preliminary results that the shareholders essentially do want or looking to expand the authorization common stock from 5 billion from 1.75 billion. So anytime there's this kind of a stock split, I would say not good news for investors or potential investors. And then also wanted to share this with you guys. This is a day ago. Mullen CEO David Mickery just received 22.6 million shares, and he's received 164.45 million shares of Mullen stock since September. So I guess part of his performance and equity incentive plan, he turned around and sold and gifted and transferred 92% of the received shares. Mullen stock is down by over 20% year to date. It's not fared well, as far as 2023 goes. Again, we're only like 2 months in, not even two full months here into 2023. They're down by more than 20% year to date. During quarter four, Mullen reported $0 in total sales and net loss before accrued preferred dividends and non-controlling interest. And then on February 16th, he received another 6 million shares. So it's interesting that he's receiving these shares based on performance when you could say that the performance isn't that strong. Considering in quarter four, Mullen did $0 in sales. So this is very interesting. Very interesting kind of what is going on here with Mullen. Like I said, the sixth most traded stock on the market today is Mullen Automotive at 25 cents. Gonna be interesting to see what happens here in quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four of this year for a stock like Mullen and EV stocks as a whole. As we see that Biden infrastructure start to really ramp up and get things in place, very, very interesting times here for all EV stocks, in my opinion. But I do like Mullen Automotive stock at the current price at 25 cents. Again, trading in that last kind of stock market bull run, we did see this stock trading at $1.50 to $2. So again, keep that in mind. Drop a like on this video, guys. Subscribe. And as always, you guys have a great day.